I'm rAVe from Magewell, and we are at InfoComm 2026 at Magewell booth. So this year, Magewell is showcasing our solutions for connect, convert, manage, and present video in modern AV workflows. So on my right side is our new generation of the IP decoders and our more data solution. These are the core from our solution that converts HDMI, SDI to and from the IP streams like NDI, SRT, RTSP, and RTMP. On the back of it is our new generation of the Director products. That's the Director Plus. This one gives you more inputs, like up to 4 of the HDMI, and then 2 USB, and then up to 9 of the virtual streams. And to its right, it's our Auto Encode family. That's the first generation encode for the SDI, HDMI to the IP streams. And then we also have a booth here to showcase the IP to AIO, the second generation, like the quad view here. And to its right is like our solution to manage all our IP devices, the control hub that provides you with a central platform to manage, monitor, and then configure all the devices remotely. And we are also showcasing a lot of like our capture and the first generation of the encoder and decoders. On the capture side, the newest thing is our 4K Pro that gives you the capability to capture 4K 60 444 video. And then to its left, that will be our encoder and decoders, first generation. That's what we've been offering for years. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Magewell, please go to magewell.com. Thank you.